Hey guys, it's Saga from TechWorks, and I finally got my hands on the new Nokia 7 Plus. I purchased it from Amazon, and it is a black colored phone with copper accents. I actually wanted to get the white one with copper accents, but they did not have it on sale when I ordered this one. It is priced at 25,999 rupees, which I feel is a lot to ask for this phone. Something around the 21 or 22,000 rupees mark would have made it so much more attractive. This is my first Nokia device since HMD Global brought it back. But back in the day, I've used quite a few Nokia phones like the Nokia N73 Music Edition, N85, which I still have because I love the way it feels and slides in both directions. After which, I switched to the Nokia N8. It was another amazing phone with a huge display and a great camera which was way ahead of its time. And I have also tried the N97 and E71 for a brief period. So getting a Nokia phone again brings back some really cool memories for me. Alright, now let's come back to this Nokia 7 Plus. It is an Android One device and comes with Android Oreo out of the box. And as I told you guys before, it is a black colored phone with copper accents. Now let's just slide open the box and get to the phone. 7 Plus is sitting on the right side of the box. There is a SIM tray removal tool below it and a transparent TPU case with some paperwork below it. In this box on the left, we get a USB Type-C cable, in-ear earphones, and a Nokia branded fast charger. Let's keep all these things aside and take a look at the phone itself. It's a big phone with a 6-inch display, but it doesn't seem to be too heavy. The weight is also very well balanced throughout the body of the phone. It might not be very apparent looking at it in this video, but the copper rim around the phone, ring around the fingerprint sensor and the camera module, and this Nokia branding looks really cool in person. You do get a transparent case in the box, but since this phone doesn't have a glass back, I won't be using it with a case. At the front, we get a big 6-inch Full HD IPS LCD display with 18:9 aspect ratio, and it is covered by Gorilla Glass 3. This is Nokia's first phone with this new aspect ratio, and I think it looks beautiful. The display looks bright enough for these lighting situations, but I will have to use it outside and see how bright it can get under direct sunlight. There are no navigation buttons on the lower bezel. You get an earpiece, ambient light and proximity sensor, and a 16-megapixel camera with Zeiss optics and Nokia branding on the top bezel. You have a unibody metal back made of 6000 series aluminium. They tell us that there are multiple layers of coating to make it feel like ceramic. But to me, it just feels like metal, which I actually prefer over ceramic or a glass back. There is an Android One logo at the bottom with Nokia branding above it. Then there's the fingerprint sensor and a dual camera module with copper colored accents. And you also get a dual tone, dual LED flash. There's a SIM card tray on the left. It's a hybrid slot, which means it can hold 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and a micro SD card at a time. On the right are the volume and power buttons. These buttons are a bit thin, but they are very well built and tactile. At the bottom is a microphone, USB-C port for charging and data transfer, and a single downward firing speaker. You don't get stereo speakers on this phone, but you at least have a 3.5mm headphone jack. The phone is definitely big, but it feels good in your hands. You are going to need 2 hands to navigate through the display, but it's a nice experience. It's an Android One device, so it is running stock Android. It comes with Oreo out of the box, and Nokia has been quick at pushing out software updates in the recent months, so I really hope they will continue doing the same for this phone. Stock Android means you won't get much of added features or gestures like you see on OnePlus or even Moto devices. I guess that is the price you pay for getting faster software updates. It comes with an octa-core Snapdragon 660 processor, Adreno 512 GPU, 4GB of LPDDR4 RAM, 64GB of built-in storage, and a 3800 mAh non-removable battery. With these internals and a huge battery, Nokia says that you will get 2 days worth of battery life with the 7 Plus. I'm going to use this phone for a few more weeks to actually test their claim, and I will have more to say about it in its full review. It charges via a USB Type-C port, and with the included charger, it can go from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. The dual cameras on the back are equipped with Zeiss optics. Primary camera has a 12-megapixel sensor with f1.75 aperture and a pixel size of 1.4 micron. Secondary camera has a 13-megapixel sensor with f2.6 aperture, and it has a 2x telephoto lens. Front-facing camera is a 16-megapixel sensor with f2.2 aperture, and it also has Zeiss optics. It will be really interesting to see how these cameras perform against some of the other smartphones that I have. I have used this phone for less than a day, so I can't really say about its performance and battery life right now. But if you guys want, I will make a video about my experience with this phone in the first 48 hours. If you guys would be interested in it, let me know in the comment section. What I can tell you now is that this phone looks and feels very solid and premium. It is a bit wider than most of the other 18:9 display phones that I have used so far. It feels fast and responsive in what little time I have spent with it. Camera app with easy ways to get to the Pro mode seems promising. It doesn't support wireless charging, and I still think it costs a bit more than what it should. That being said, I am really excited to use a Nokia smartphone again, and I have high hopes from this Nokia 7 Plus. I will be comparing this phone and its camera with a few other phones, but if there are any specific videos that you want to see, or if you have any questions about this phone, let me know in the comments. If you are looking to get the Nokia 7 Plus, I will leave a link to it in the description section. And unlike some other phones, this one is available without any flash sales on Amazon. That is it for this video, guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Sagar, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.